Zachariah is helping me put my dirty laundry into the washing machine. Zachariah, can you show how to do it? Come here. Here, let's change the angle. All right, put some clothing in there. Here, let's push it down. All right, put some more in there. Get it in there. You can do it. Why don't you do one piece at a time, or do it all? Get it up there. You can do it. Woo! Do you want some help? What? Alright, yeah, shove it in there. You can tell he learned this. He probably learned how to put the clothing in the washing machine from Papa. That is me. Alright, can you get that whole pant or set of pants or pants? Yeah, that's pretty good, Zachariah. Let's move it to another side. Whew, a good shot. Is it all gonna fit in there? Ooh. Get it up there. Ooh. Here, I'll help you. Alright, Zachariah, I'm going to stop it so people can do whatever they need to do. Say bye-bye. Hey, thank you. Say thank you.